y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel called That Nurse Nikki. Here I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty, feminine health, and just about anything worth talking. Now, in today's video, as you can see the title down below, I'm going to share with you the day in the life of a student nurse. So come and take a tour with me. Let me show you what my day is like, my full 24 hours like in nursing school. So let's go. Let's get ready, guys. So first thing first, make sure every morning you wake up, you make your bed. Yes, it's important. Make sure your uniform is ready. I like to prep the clothes overnight. Also for meditation, I like to do some stretches, a little yoga, nothing too fancy, but this will help you to get your blood circulated and get you awoke so you can start your day. Also, right after that, I like to go in, brush my teeth, wash my face, and yes, guys, it's good to always take a shower in the morning. I think that doing that helps you open up your pores. It makes you be aware and ready. You're not sleepy or groggy. So I take my shower in the morning and then I'll wash my hair. Not every day I will wash my hair, but most times if it needs to wash, I'll go ahead and wash that. I'll then go in and then I'll make my tea. Hi guys, I don't like to do coffee because coffee will like keep me so much hot. So basically it's tea for me, and tea is so important. It wakes you up in the morning. It lets you know that your day is about to get started. Without it, I'll have a headache. So in the morning, while I'm sipping my tea, I like to go through the scripture, like to read the word of the day, because God has been so good to me. I cannot complain, so I have to give reverence and honor to God. So I'll read my Bible in the morning while I sip on my tea. Yeah, that is really important to me as I start my day. I'll then go into my kitchen. I'll make me an egg omelette or maybe some sandwich or something. But most mornings I would like to make my omelette, and as you can see, I have a lot of veggies going in. So if you're not a person who want to consume too much egg, you can load it up with your vegetables like bell peppers, mushrooms, red pepper, green pepper, and I like to have that with a avocado toast. I don't do too much oil, so I'll put avocado on my toast. Then I'll go ahead and I'll pack my lunch kit and get ready for my day to leave out for class. So yeah, on my way to class, you might not be able to go ahead and hit your breakfast because time can be so busy, and I understand that. But luckily for the class that I have, like most morning is like theory, I will have my fruits first thing in the morning, just to make sure that I at least get that in some water if the floor is not too busy. You can't really do this in clinical days, but like say you have a theory class, it's more relaxing, so you're able to like take breaks in between. And if you're not able to get your breakfast in from home, till some mornings are busy, you can just grab something healthy on the way. So I'll get me like a toast with avocado from Dunkin' Donut, no coffee guy, and that will just keep my day going. So right after class, we are so happy, like the day is so long, we'll have like 5 or 6 hour class, so it's always like a happy time to know that we're about to leave. We after leaving, we like to like maybe just chit chat for a few, catch up on what's going on, and definitely it's gonna be meal time. So we like to plan ahead, like what is it that we're gonna have for the day, because we have a long day. Even after class, me and my girl, we will stay back. We'll either go to the library or we will basically study. So what we do, we have something to eat, get our carbs in, get our protein in, get our nutrition in, and then we go straight to study. Yes guys, we dive in. So while we're in our study session, we will spend like maybe 2, 3, 4 hours at a time. It all depends on the day and if we have an upcoming exam. But we always like to debrief and just go through our notes, and that's what's going to make us successful. So if you haven't seen all my other channel, I talk about how to study and all that. Now after all that and sitting for so long, I like to go to the gym to burn some carbs. Yes, I go to Planet Fitness, and it is so refreshing to know that you're not so tense, and if you're not like in a good mood or you're feeling like sore, just going on the treadmill and walking or doing some stretch basically just help to keep the blood flowing after sitting for so long. And I tend to sit for a long period of time when I'm studying, like maybe get up for like bathroom breaks. So it's also good to make sure that you are getting your exercise in. It's very, very important. So while I'm at the gym, I will like check through my self chat, and then I'll definitely go on the treadmill, do some workouts, get my blood flowing, burn some carbs. It don't have to be big goals, guys. As long as you're doing something, after something is better than nothing. You don't have to go to the gym for like a 2-3 hours, or if you don't like lift weights, go from 10 different machines at a time, you feel like you're not doing anything. Just simply jogging or running on the treadmill works, and that helps me to burn calories. And I do this like for 3 to 5 days per week, depending on my work schedule. But every morning, like I said earlier, I have to ensure that I do get my stretches in. It's good. It helps to open up your vessels, your blood flow much better, and you get more oxygen to your brain, which we need our brain in school so we could think, especially creatively. So yes, after the gym, I head straight home, and I know right now it seems super dark, right? It's like 10-12 o'clock at night, but no, it's basically around 6. So after leaving for the gym, I head straight home, put on a nice music. I love to listen to my cultural music and just continue over the day, what I have done and everything, and just get home in one piece and harmony, and basically just look back and reflect as I drive home, looking at the traffic, taking in the lights, people, and of course these crazy drivers. But it's always good to like listen to some music on your way out. So that basically helps and works for me. Now, as soon as I get home, I would like to go ahead and just take a shower. Like, you need to get all that sweat that you have been out all the day and all that stuff. Especially if you're at clinical, you want to go home and just take a shower because of all those that's on your body. Then right after I take my shower, of course I get dressed. I jump in and have my favorite smoothie: spinach, strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, all the berries you can think of with ginger. And sometimes I mix it and maybe put my cat food in it. Not all the time. Then while I'm doing that, I like to go ahead and do my laundry. So I'm so grateful for in-house laundry. I don't have to go anywhere. And while that's also doing, I like to go ahead and make my dinner. Well, this fancy dinner right here, of course I didn't prepare it while I get home. This may be some leftovers from Sunday that I'm going ahead and I'm warming up for my dinner. But basically a busy night, school night, I don't really cook this heavy. And your girl likes to relax and just unwind and have something to drink. So I'm having champagne right here, watching TV and just relaxing. And like I said, just taking in the day and look what I've done. Of course, I've completed all the assignments and all that's needed and prepare for the next class or for the next day, depending on the day. And after doing that, of course, I'm going to head to bed. So this is my life, and then I'll start all over again depending on the day. Thanks for watching.